Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make money online by creating simple YouTube videos. Today I'm gonna show you two of the micro niche which you can create content on if you are going to start a YouTube channel in 2020. Micro niche is one of the niche which is super targeted on a particular product, and whatever the audience you gain on that is absolutely an audience which is in a buying mode. This is really very important, buying mode. The audience is laser targeted. If you are really planning to create a YouTube channel and start making money out of affiliate marketing, then this is one of the best way for you. I'm gonna show you two of the examples, okay, which will help you to understand what kind of content I am trying to share with you. Okay, so now let's go over here in the search bar and type in VPN mentor. Okay, so this is one of the YouTube channel which just shares and creates videos related to VPN. What it does is it compares many of the VPN, tells the people about importance of VPN, how to use VPN, what are the benefits of particular type of VPN, compares to VPN services, informs people about whatever the new VPNs services are going to be launched, what are the innovations that can be done in the VPN industry, and all this stuff is just explained to the people in this channel. Okay, so people are just creating videos related to VPN. What is VPN? VPN is a virtual private network, okay, which you can install on your computer so that you can browse on internet anonymously. This is very really important. In future, the requirement of this services is going to increase, and these people are creating content on this. They have listed in all the videos they have provided affiliate links of many of the VPN networks in their videos, and they are earning affiliate commission out of this, just reviewing VPN services and creating content related to VPN services. So this is super targeted laser niche. Whatever the person who is interested in buying a VPN will search for the keyword VPN, and they will find this channel and watch videos of this channel and are definitely going to buy VPN after watching the videos of this channel. There is a very high chance for it because this channel has very low competition. So this channel is definitely making really some good amount of affiliate income just by promoting this VPN services. So you can just create the content around this. I will also show you one of the another channel which is known as Security Baron. Okay, so Security Baron is a guy who just creates videos which are related to security cameras. All he does is just creates videos about security cameras. He reviews them, he tries them out, he tells people how to use them, and that's the content what he creates over here. He tells each and every stuff about this niche, this category, and what he does is that he shares an affiliate link in the description of his videos from where people can buy this security cameras. Okay, so the people who are searching for security cameras are definitely going to land on his channel, and there is much more likelihood that they are going to click the link in the description after watching this guy's video and buy the product from this guy, because this guy is super duper targeted in his category, in his niche, and he possesses a great amount of knowledge and experience in his category. So what he does is he just shares his opinion on different types of security cameras. He is very targeted about his customers and about his audience. So that's the reason why this guy can make really very good money out of affiliate marketing. Almost $10,000 a month is possible for this guy, as he is doing affiliate marketing from this YouTube channel, even though he has a very small YouTube channel. So This is really easy stuff. These are two of the categories which I have shown you. If you are really going to start a YouTube channel in 2020, then you should consider this type of micro niche categories which can really be very beneficial to you in making money in 2020. So if you like my videos, if you like my content, then just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.